Okay, we're talking about math today. Now, yesterday I asked you to make sure you had your collection jars ready to go for today. So you should have uploaded those to me already, pictures of them, so I can see what are you counting right now. And today we're going to make our 10 frames. That's our job for today. So I've taught you how to make 10 frames before, but I'm going to show you again. And remember, you have to count the boxes. There's no such thing as a 12 frame or an 8 frame or a 16 frame. We're going to group our collections in tens, in groups of 10. So the first thing that I do when I make a 10 frame is I'm drawing upside down and backwards, so bear with me. I'm going to draw a rectangle. It's kind of a wonky rectangle. I expect yours to be better. But I'm looking at the video instead of at my paper. This would be me looking at the paper. I could probably do that too and do a better job. Now I'm going to cut my rectangle in half. So I'm going to go about halfway down and I'm going to take that line all the way over. All right? Here's my top 5. Here's my bottom 5. Now I need to do 4 lines, not 5 lines, because I only need 4 lines because I have these 2 extra lines at the end. So I'm going to go right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That last box always gets too small because I don't do it very well, but with practice you will. Now I have to come straight down, 1, straight down, 2, straight down, 3, straight down, 4. Now I'm going to number my boxes so you see. You don't have to number yours. Don't do that. Okay, you're just going to use it, but I want you to see 1. We're checking to see if it's actually a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down around, put on that hat. That 5 is fat. 5. So I know I've got the top right, so the bottom's probably right too, right? Because it's the same. And we know if it's 5 on the top, it'll be 5 on the bottom. But let's write our numbers anyway. 6, 7. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and make that 8. Close that gate. That's 8. And then a loop and a line. That's 9. And then remember, 0, 0 in the 10. You're my hero. All right. So I don't want yours to look like that. I was just showing you that you have to count it. You don't have to write the numbers on. So let's do one now. I'm going to do a better job too. I'm going to do 1, down, over, up, across. Now I'm going to come halfway down and take my line all the way across. Now I'm going to try to make these more even. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's still kind of skinny at the end. For some reason, I'm not very good at that part. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here's the tricky part. You need at least 2 10 frames, maybe more, but we're going to talk about grouping tomorrow. Now that's how you make just a plain old 10 frame on a sheet of paper. You can also put things together to make 10 frames, but then remember, there's another way to do a 10 frame where you don't have to make anything. You can just put lines of 5 with lines of 5 below it, and that's a group of 10. Remember, we've done that lots where we don't have an actual 10 frame, but we can make a 10 frame in the way that we lay out our materials that have to be counted. All right, your job is to make a 10 frame and have your collection jars done so that tomorrow we can start counting and grouping. All right, I love you.